Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to set your profile picture on Instagram. Let's begin. First, open up your Instagram app. Once you have it open, look on the bottom right hand corner. You should see this right here where I'm circling. It's to the right of the heart symbol. That's your profile picture. That's where it's going to go. So go ahead and tap on that, and that will take you to your profile page. Once here, look up here where it says Edit Profile. Click on that. All right, it takes you here. Now, when you get to here, all you have to do is tap right here on the change profile photo, and you have multiple options of getting the picture from. You can get it from Facebook. You can take a picture immediately and set it as your profile picture, or you can choose a picture from a memory. And this is just the first step. There's a second step to this, so make sure you follow all the steps. Okay. And for me, I'll choose from library. So this will go into my phone library and look for a picture. Or I say I choose that picture, and I'll click on the upper right hand corner where it says done. All right. Once you have done that, don't forget the second part is making sure that you save your changes. So make sure you click over here where it says done again. And give it a moment to load. And there you go. That's how you set your profile picture on Instagram. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.